Have you ever seen a bird that looks like a dinosaur? Meet the shoebill, a giant bird from Africa with a beak that looks like a shoe. Don't be fooled by its calm look. This bird is a deadly hunter. It can stand perfectly still for hours, then strike lightning fast. Its favorite meals: lungfish, eels, and even baby crocodiles. And guess what? Shoebills don't chirp, they make a loud clattering sound, almost like a sewing machine, to communicate. This rare bird truly looks like it came from another time. If you love weird and wonderful animals, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.